Welcome, potential incoming students and parents, to Boynton Beach Community High School's amazing choice programs. My name is Mr. Parker, and I'm the Choice Programs Coordinator here at the school. Now, over the past few years, we've made some exciting changes to our school to create a very safe and fun environment for all students. The support that these choice programs get from our leadership is second to none. We have 12 exciting programs that you should really consider being a part of next year. Boynton Beach High School has the only aerospace program in Palm Beach County. So, if you're interested in flying a plane, flying a drone, or learning anything about aviation, then this is the program for you. We also have one of the top medical academies in the area offering over 5 industry certifications. And all of these certifications, we have nearly 100% passer rating every year. Our Early Childhood Academy provides students with the ability to get nationally certified to work in a pre-kindergarten facility upon graduation also. Boynton Beach High School has a Marine Corps JROTC program that instills leadership skills and traits among other military values. The Culinary Arts Department trains and certifies students to work safely in the food and restaurant business. We have digital media and IT that provides students with an educational computer software, TV production, and gaming design. Lastly, we have an arts department that contains courses on dance, vocal, theater, instrumental, and visual arts. So once again, my name is Mr. Parker, and my email address is william.parker@palmbeachschools.org. Please let me know if you have any questions or want any more details about a program. Now, here's a look at what our school proudly features.